Okay, this is one of our tennis shoes anti-kidnapping. It doesn't have to mean it's gonna be a big giant shoe like this, but this is one of the ones that I'm doing now. And this is the tracker that goes inside, okay? And right now, we're gonna be doing it in different models. So it doesn't have to be this fat. It could be actually slimmer for kids' shoes and things like that. We also have things in belts. Now this is one of our remote control, one of the ones that go magnetically under the car, a truck, semi-fleet, or just because you want it to last longer, okay? These are long-lasting batteries. Has a bigger casing for longer lasting situations. Now, we have even a bigger one for those people who really need it to last a long, long time. You call one of our experts at different types of batteries, goes into these units, so I'm not giving the time, but you'll be surprised how long these things last. Now, if you actually want to be able to hardwire it, okay, we have the hardwire situation where we can hardwire it and it will be good for all the time. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now, if you're looking for something tiny, something small, this is one of the versions that we have, okay? Now, this version here, we actually have a model that's just this big without this tail, okay? And that is real skinny, okay? That's, I would say, the smallest tracker in the world in this kind of shape and real-time trackers. All of these devices are real-time tracking. This is a smaller magnet, okay? Showing the ones I have available today to show you, but a car is really big and this is really small. Look at my palm of my hand and look at this item, okay? So we also have a police version. Now, a lot of the detectives use these. This comes with an extra charger so you can charge the battery. And we have, what happens is use this tracker here, right? Now, very seldom are you gonna see a tracker like this. This is one that's actually made by us here at Spy World. So this here, you're gonna go ahead and change, you put the tracker on the vehicle, but you need to change the battery. Well, usually you have to take the whole thing home with you to be able to change it out. Here, all you gotta do is unclick it, you'll have a spare battery, click it back on, and you're good to go. It's already charged from the battery you charged the night before, okay? So this is excellent. All the detectives, or a lot of them, are using this model right now. So any questions, just call us, 305-542-4600. That's our number, and we have experts on standby.